Owls are the most intriguing birds in the world, known for their nocturnal habits and exceptional hunting skills. The fact that they are mainly active at night has piqued the interest of scientists, bird enthusiasts, and the general public alike. Owls' nocturnal habits have long been associated with mystery, wisdom, and magic in many cultures around the world. In ancient Greece, owls were associated with Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and were seen as symbols of knowledge and foresight. In Native American cultures, owls were viewed as protectors and guides, with many tribes believing that owls were messengers from the spirit world. Owls have also been depicted in art and literature. Understanding the cultural significance of owls' nocturnal habits is essential to appreciating their place in human history and culture. Owls have been the subject of many studies revealing the secrets behind their adaptations to the dark, their unique vision and hearing, and their role in the ecosystem. Owls have a long evolutionary history dating back over 60 million years. The earliest owl fossils showed that they were diurnal creatures, meaning they were active during the day. However, as the climate and habitat changed, owls evolved to become nocturnal. Their adaptation to the dark was a result of evolutionary pressure, as they needed to find food and avoid predators in the dark. Owls also developed specialized features, such as large eyes and ears, which helped them navigate and hunt in the dark. These adaptations have made owls one of the most successful predators in the animal kingdom. For many owls, the dark is a good time to catch a meal. Owls are just taking advantage of a time when they can excel at finding prey, because there are a lot of other things that are active at night too, like rodents. It's such a good time to hunt that those owls' bodies have adapted to the dark. That's why they have big round eyes. Big eyes with large pupils let in more light. That helps owls see in darker conditions. Those big eyes can't move around like our eyeballs because they're not balls. Owl eyes are shaped like bells. Their skull bones hold those bell-shaped eyes into their heads with no space to move, which means they cannot move their eyes like other birds. However, they compensate for this by being able to rotate their necks up to 270 degrees. This allows them to scan their environment without moving their bodies, reducing their chances of being detected by prey or predators. In addition, owls have soft feathers that muffle sound, enabling them to fly silently and catch prey by surprise. The internal structure of an owl eye is special too. Most vertebrates have rod cells and cone cells in their eyes. Cones detect colors, rods detect light and motion. Diurnal animals are awake during the day. There's lots of light, so it's useful to see lots of colors. It makes sense that diurnal animals have more cones than rods in their eyes. Nocturnal animals are awake during the night. Since you can't really see color in the dark, nocturnal animals have more rods than cones. Their eyes are optimized to detect movement, like prey sneaking around, even in very low light. Owls use their ears to hunt at night too. You might be surprised to hear that not all owls stay up all night. Some owls are awake during the day, although that's not as common. Some owls are crepuscular. That means they prefer to be awake at dawn when the sun is coming up or dusk when the sun is going down. Some owls are cathemeral. That means they're awake at random times without any real pattern. Owls have a sort of mirror at the back of their eye called the tapetum lucidum. When light goes past the rods and hits the mirror, the light is reflected back at the rods. This means the owl gets two chances at catching each bit of light. When you shine a light at an animal at night and their eyes seem to glow, you know they have a tapetum lucidum. You might be wondering why we don't have this since it seems so useful. The drawback is that it makes what you see slightly blurry, so animals that are active in the daytime don't have tapetum lucidum. Owls' hearing is just as crucial as their vision in their hunting techniques. Their ears are asymmetrical, with one ear set higher than the other, which allows them to locate prey by sound. Owls can hear sounds at frequencies that are too high for humans to detect, making them one of the most sensitive hearing animals in the world. They can also pinpoint the location of a sound with remarkable accuracy, down to a fraction of a degree. This ability is essential when hunting in the dark, as it allows them to locate and catch prey without relying solely on their vision. Owls' nocturnal habits have allowed them to hunt a wide range of prey that are active at night. Their diet includes rodents, birds, reptiles, and insects, among others. Many of their prey are small and agile, making them difficult to catch during the day. However, at night, these prey species are more vulnerable, as they are often sleeping or slower moving. Owls' specialized adaptations, such as their silent flight and excellent hearing, make them highly effective nocturnal hunters. This has made them an important part of many ecosystems, controlling the populations of their prey and contributing to the health of the ecosystem as a whole. Nocturnal owls have unique social and reproductive patterns that are adapted to their nighttime lifestyle. Many species of owls are solitary, only coming together during the breeding season. During this time, they engage in elaborate courtship displays, such as calling and gift-giving. Owls also have a distinctive vocal repertoire, with each species having its own unique calls and hoots. Some species of owls, such as the barn owl, are known to mate for life and exhibit strong pair bonding. Owls' nighttime habits also help them avoid predators and reduce competition for resources, making it easier for them to survive and reproduce. Nocturnal habitats are essential for the survival of many owl species. These habitats provide shelter, food, and breeding grounds for owls, as well as protection from human disturbance and habitat destruction. However, many nocturnal habitats are under threat from human activities, such as deforestation, urbanization, and pollution. This has led to a decline in many owl populations around the world. Conservation efforts are essential to preserving the habitats that owls depend on, as well as reducing the impact of human activities on their populations. Nocturnal owls are not the only predators that are active at night. Other predators, such as bats, foxes, and cats, also hunt in the dark. However, owls have developed unique adaptations that allow them to coexist with these predators. For example, owls' silent flight and excellent hearing help them avoid detection by other predators. In addition, owls have a diverse diet, which allows them to avoid competition with other nocturnal predators for resources. Understanding how owls coexist with other nocturnal predators is essential to preserving the balance of ecosystems that they are a part of. By understanding and appreciating owls' nocturnal habits, we can ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive for